Hi there, my name's Sam. I work for Patton Engineering. We're from Hawke's Bay, but currently working down in Wellington on the Wellington Town Hall project for Naylor Love and Wellington City Council. Before QuickStock, especially down here in Wellington on site, was a very dragged out process in order to get gear and supplies. Obviously consumables is a big thing that we go through. Say I need a grinding disc, I'd have to go somewhere else, get a grinding disc, but then I needed a drill bit, so I'd have to go somewhere else for a drill bit. So I might end up going 3 places to get everything I need for that one little job. You know, it could spend 2 hours driving around getting gear for a 1 hour job.
Hi Sam, may I have some gloves please?
Sure thing, mate. What size are you after?
A size 9 please mate.
Size 9. There we go, left and right.
Thank you very much Lee.
No problem. What job are you working on, mate?
Auditorium.
Perfect.
Cheers mate.
Have a good day. How QuickStock works here on site is I have a key to the cabinet. The workers come up to me, I jot down what they've taken, quantities, and I assign it to a job number. Then that job number at the end of each month has a tally of what's been used on it, and then we charge that accordingly to that job number. Euromarc comes in once a month, they fill up the cabinet. I've got a list of what I want, what I need each month. They come in, take account of how many items I've used, and they replace those back up to the starting stock number. And I'm only charged for what I use. Sometimes I'd go somewhere else, I'd have to buy 50 pack of cutting discs, but now I can take 4 cutting discs, so the client's obviously getting their accurate amount. I'm not having to overcharge them to cover the cost of having to buy a 50 pack. Works well for us, works well for the client. No one's getting overcharged and I've got everything on site. We use elite products for cutting discs, grinding discs, flat discs, everything that goes on a grinder basically. We also have annular cutters, so mag drill bits, pistol drill bits. They're great. Previously, we've used other brands. You pay the same amount of money, if not more, for half the lifespan. You know, we'd take whatever we can get sometimes before QuickStock came in. So, yeah, we've been through them all. We're happy, we love it. Highly recommend Elite. QuickStock's definitely helped Patton Engineering. We have 5 other projects running in Wellington, not only Town Hall. I can access it obviously very quickly for myself, but the other boys, 10, 15 minutes, and they can be down here, grinding disc, cutting fluid, drills, whatever they need. And then straight back to the job. There's no time running around, purchase orders, different suppliers is a big one. You know, we've got everything all in one spot that is tailor-made for Patton in this cabinet. I'd 100% recommend QuickStock to other engineering companies doing similar projects. The amount of time that we save, and obviously time is money in this industry, is unreal.